So in order to calculate a factorial of a number, let's take the input from the user is equal to int input, enter the first number, and in order to calculate the factorial we need to define the variable factorial. So fact is equal to 1, and let's use a for loop for I in range. So the range will start from A and it will go to 0 through -1, and we will write the here for the command fact is equal to fact into I, and we will print the value of factorial. Now let's run the program, enter the first number, for example 5, so we get the answer 120.